Hello everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the 5-number summary using Excel. We're going to begin by opening up the Chapter 2 Excel example spreadsheet that we used in the last video. And then looking at the tabs at the bottom, we're going to find the tab that says Example 2.4 5-number summary box plot and click on that. Now Example 2.4 can be found on pages 52 through 53, and it gives us the travel times for 15 North Carolina workers. We're going to start this by highlighting and sorting the data from smallest to largest. So highlight, right click, go to sort, sort smallest to largest. After, go to the options at the very top, click on data. Below that and to the far right, we're going to click on data analysis. This opens up the analysis tools, and I need to find the option that says descriptive statistics, and then we're going to click OK. Now, notice that the cursor is blinking on input range. Even though we have the data highlighted, it hasn't pre-filled that in for us. So what I'm going to do is highlight the data again, so it pre-fills the values to compute the descriptive statistics for. Afterwards, let's move this over a little bit. Afterwards, we're going to click on the output range below output options. Now, the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want it to display the descriptive statistics on a new worksheet. I want it within the same worksheet. So while the cursor is blinking in this cell here, I need to go ahead on the outside, find another empty cell, click on that. That way it displays the descriptive statistics on the spreadsheet. After, we're going to click on the button that says Summary Statistics, then click OK. Now it's going to display the descriptive statistics in a 2-column format. I want to be able to read everything in the first column, so I'm going to double click between C and D, and so I can see the data better. Now notice it gives us quite a few pieces of information. Don't assume that just because you displayed it, you're done. You need to go through and highlight the information that you're going to be using from this. So first what I'm going to do is click on median, highlight that, go to home, and then click bold and the paint can button, so that way it bolds and highlights the median. What else do I need for the 5-number summary? I also need the minimum and maximum. So I'm going to highlight those, go to bold, hit the paint can, so that way the 3 pieces of information I need from descriptive statistics are clearly indicated. Now, descriptive statistics doesn't give you everything, so you're going to have to calculate the first and third quartiles separately. So what I'm going to do in an empty cell below the table is I'm going to type in Q1, and then in the cell adjacent to that, we're going to enter in the following command: equals quartile, open parentheses. So we're finding the quartile for the data starting at A2, colon, going all the way to A16. Then I have to type in comma, and then the number representing what quartile I want. Well, I'm going to type in comma 1 because I want the first quartile. Close parentheses and then hit enter. And it gives us quartile 1 is 10. And then we're going to do the same in the cells below. Label the first as Q3. And in the one adjacent to that, we're going to type in the following command: equals quartile, open parentheses, A2, colon, A16, comma, and then 3 for the third quartile, then close the parentheses. And I'm also going to bold and highlight these as well. Okay, so if we check our work against the table on page 53, we see that all of the values for the 5-number summary match up. So now, here's what I would like for you to do. Click on example 2.5, 5-number summary dash box plot. So we're going to click on this tab. And what you're going to do for example 2.5 data, which is on page 53, is you're going to find the 5-number summary for the 20 New York workers and their commute times. Now, here's something interesting that you're going to see happen when you do this. If you compare your results against the values that are found on page 53, you're going to notice that the third quartile that you get on Excel is not the same as the third quartile you get by hand. The reason for this is that Excel's algorithm for quartiles is slightly different and may not always be the same as by hand. And this is going to be true for most statistical software. So that doesn't mean that Excel is wrong. It just means that it has a different algorithm programmed in. So you're not always going to get the same values matched by hand. Again, Excel is not incorrect. It's just using a different algorithm, okay? So you're going to find the 5-number summary for this set of data. And then I want you to scroll over 2 more tabs and click on the tab for Apply Your Knowledge 2.5 Modified Box Plot. So we're going to go to that, and this is on pages 55 through 56 in the textbook, and it's giving us the MPG data for mid-size cars. And in fact, it's a sample of 106 mid-size cars. So I also want you to find the 5-number summary for this set of data as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know, and thank you for watching.